हेलो आज हामी स्टिकी राइस खाँदैछौँ खास गरी स्टिकी राइस व्हाइट कलरको हुन्छ तर आज डिफ्रेन्ट भर्जनको मेरो श्रीमतीले बनाएको थियो हेर्दै म खाउँ जस्तो लाग्ने लेट्स ट्राई गरेर हेरौँ खास गरी स्टिकी राइस अरूसँग कोकोनटहरूसँग मिक्स गरेर खान्छ
I also eating.
मेरो श्रीमती पनि खानेछ
Let's
र
eat together.
आज स्टिकी राइस खास गरी कोकोनटसँग खान्छ तर आज मेरो श्रीमतीले चिकनसँग मेरो फेभरेट चिकनसँग बनाएर खुवाउँदैछ
It's little bit Chinese style. I cook.
घरमा बनाएर खानुको टेस्टै अर्को छ बाहिर खानु कतिजनालाई बाहिरको मिठो हुन्छ होला मलाई चाहिँ फेरि घरमा बनाएर खाएको चाहिँ साह्रो मिठो लाग्छ
I fried ginger, garlic,
अँ,
and fried the chicken also. Did you ask me?
No, I didn't ask you. I enjoy my food.
Okay.
लेमन टी
Ice lemon tea.
आइस लेमन टी
You like
योसँग म्याच धेरै म्याच हुन्छ यहाँ वेदर धेरै गर्मी पनि छ अनि आइससँग खानु मजा अर्को छ
That's why you want to stay in Myanmar?
That's the main reason I love to stay here.
Because of me or Myanmar food?
Let's think, huh?
Answer carefully, yeah?
Of course you, because you can cook Myanmar food. Today you make like biryani rice. Really nice. This all, ginger, this one can taste, everything can taste properly.
I will make for you different version, different food, and make you fat.
खाना पकाउने कुकसँग बिहा गर्नु चाहिँ यो बेनिफिट छ कि हरेक दिन डिफ्रेन्ट भेराइटीको खाना खान पाइन्छ कहिले कोरियाको कहिले
Also,
थाइल्यान्डको
your effort also have like you help me get ginger,
आयो
garlic, so it's also part of your.
If you don't know how to cook, how much I put effort also is no meaning lah. Sa?
Yeah, but it's make me easier to cook different food because of your help. Thank you so much.
You cook, I help you more. I help you more and I eat you. I eat more. तपाईहरुले पनि घरमा बनाएर ट्राई गर्नुभयो हुन्छ त्यति गाह्रो पनि छैन स्टिकी राइस हैन नेपालमा पनि सायद पाउँछ होला मलाई चाहिँ त्यति नेपालको बारे चाहिँ त्यति नेपाली भएर पनि नेपालको बारे त्यति चाहिँ थाहा भएन तर हामी चाहिँ यसरी खाँदाखेरि चाहिँ हेल्दी पनि हुने र त्यति एक्सपेन्सिभ पनि नहुने र मिठो पनि हुने अफोर्डेबल
Healthy, tasty.
And cook at home, loving each other more, so can help and can eat nice food. You also can do that.
We love to eat homemade food. We don't like to buy outside because homemade is you really can trust where is the source and it's really healthy. Not only that, it's less cost also. Yeah.
I'm talking about that
Okay.
because especially when we cook, we know what we
Put the
ingredient and what we don't want we can remove also.
Yeah.
So about oil, Ajinomoto, this thing we can cut. So
Yeah.
that is really good for health.
So this chicken is I pay 3,500 for both for you and me. How much do you think in Nepali rupee?
3,000 maybe
35 rupee?
maybe
Less
no
than that, yeah? 30 rupee?
100 plus maybe I also don't know
No. Maybe 300,
maybe
around
300
300
yeah
rupee.
300
Yeah.
rupee
Mm.
yeah. I think I'm going to add more but I think I just stop video okay
Okay, thanks for
I enjoy more
watching.
I want to eat more so you also cook and eat okay take care bye bye